Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi and in today's video I'm going to share with you some hacks for applying your mascara correctly. I think especially with the new norm of wearing the mask wherever you go, doing up your eyes has become more of an essential thing than before, right? Personally for me, if you might notice in most of my videos, my makeup is usually minimal or I'm not wearing any makeup at all. But I'm always wearing a mascara. Always wearing a mascara. Sometimes I'm also wearing my eyeliner or kajal, right? So this is just something which I personally love doing, even on the days when I'm not shooting my videos, to be honest. I just apply a bit of mascara to open up my eyes, and it's just a feel-good factor for me. Having said that, guys, before I move to the hacks, just one thing I want to share. Take this from somebody who is a YouTuber who's always on camera. If you're somebody who spends a lot of time on Zoom video calls, on Zoom meetings, okay, I'll just give you a little hack. When you're on camera, making your eyes look more opened up with a mascara is something which will transform how the camera perceives your face. For example, just look at this. On one side I've applied the mascara, on the other side there's no mascara, and do you see the difference in just how the camera is perceiving my face on both our sides? So yes, there's a huge difference, and like I just said, on most of the days I'm wearing mascara just for myself, it just makes me feel good. So regardless, I'll be talking about some hacks and some things which I've learned in the process of applying mascara for like almost every single day. And which mascara am I currently using? Now, this is something which I'm using from a long time now, actually. So the mascara I'm currently using is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and the kajal which I'm actually using is from the same range, which is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. It's a very good duo, it's a very good combination, and I know a lot of you are also currently using the same range because it's very popular, right? So this is what I'm currently using. It's quite nice. If you haven't used them before, you can give it a try. Now, moving to the hacks. Well, the first hack is something that my mom taught me. I think kajal mascara is one of the first things you really pick up, when you start doing your makeup. Like when you're over that phase of breaking your mom's lipsticks and you actually start doing your makeup, I think kajal mascara for most of us girls is the first thing, right? So anyways, this is a hack that my mom taught me and it was so useful. Now, a lot of us, we complain about a mascara drying up in the bottle very quickly, right? So to prevent that, whenever you open your mascara bottle and you're applying your mascara, before you do that, just pack it with your thumb like this. Okay, so this is what you do. So this is something which is very practical, very easy. Just you can wipe your thumb off later on a cotton pad and that's all. This is just something which will improve the life of your mascara. Now, another thing that I know a lot of us do is to use an eyelash curler before you apply your mascara. Great thing if you're using an eyelash curler. It kind of just shapes your your eyelashes really well. But if you want to take it one step ahead, especially for girls who have very thin hair strands on your eyelashes, if the strands are very very thin, or if you have very thick eyelashes, like thick voluminous eyelashes, in case you're like that, what you can do is you can take a spoolie brush and just comb through your eyelashes. So see it as combing your hair before you style your hair. The same way we are combing our eyelashes before applying the mascara. If you don't have a spoolie brush, you don't even have to buy one, guys. You can just take an old mascara bottle, wash off the brush because you're not using it. It's an old mascara that you have lying around. You can just clean up the brush and you can use it as a spoolie brush. It also prevents lumps and clumps. If that is a regular problem for you, this is something which will help that tremendously. And talking about application, a lot of makeup artists would suggest that you apply 2 coats of mascara because it gives you better volume. If you're doing that, by the way, the second coat which you're applying, apply it before the first coat dries. Okay? Otherwise, if the mascara, the first coat is already set, with the second coat, it will not sit in properly. Okay, so you have to apply it like immediately after. Personally speaking, I don't need to do that at all because the mascara which I'm currently using, like I just said, right, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. It actually gives you 2x volume, 2 times more voluminous lashes. Let me just show you this clip again. It's absolutely brilliant. Like with just one application, I get this look, so I don't have to reapply this with a second coat. I love the fact that the formula is rich and it's nice and jet black in color with 2x collagen. I did a little swatch before I started shooting this video, and do you see how nice and black the color is? Sorry guys, I'm swatching a mascara on my wrist, but I think there's a very good way of actually seeing the color, right? In fact, I even swatched the kajal if you want to see. Nice jet black, completely transfer proof, completely smudge proof, waterproof, sweat proof. So it's very practical, very handy. And because it is sweat proof, it is waterproof, you don't even need to reapply through the day. Like this is something which I used to do a lot. Like in the morning I'll apply my makeup and everything. After a few hours, when I'm out and about, I'll go and touch up my makeup. So when I'm touching up my makeup, I would often touch up my mascara also. But like I just said, if the mascara is already dried, on top of that, if you apply a second layer, it's not very practical because it doesn't set properly. I don't need to reapply also. Having said that, if you want, you can carry your sanitizer and your mascara in your bag. So that is about application. Now when I'm talking about application, here's one more hack that I want to share with you all. When you're applying it, instead of just applying the mascara like this in strokes, roll it up. Okay, so roll it up, do this slowly and roll it up. This will just apply the mascara much better in a smoother way. I hope this is clear. Rolling, so you roll the brush instead of just moving it straight like a comb. You don't do that. And this next hack, I think a lot of you probably already know, but just to reinstate, before you apply your mascara, just wipe off the excess on the edge of your mascara bottle. You can also use a tissue, but that's just a lot of wastage. Why? This is how your mascara brush should look. It should look nice and clean. Okay, you don't need a lot of the product when you're applying it on your eyelashes because there's just very little bit of hair. You don't need a lot of the product. So just take a little bit of the product and apply it like that. So that will give you a better texture, a better application, a better look. And talking about application, guys, it's best to use, now this is not a hack really, but I would definitely say when you're buying a mascara, or for that matter even a kajal for yourself, I personally feel like, because I use mascara and kajal so often and so frequently, I always feel that it's better to wear something which is long stay. Like I said, reapplication is a pain when it comes to mascara. More than that, I feel it's also important, it's just easier, more convenient if you have a long lasting product. Now again, the Maybelline Colossal Mascara which I'm using, it lasts for 12 hours. Like I did this little swatch in the morning, I'll show this to you after a while. After 12 hours, this is how it looks. So it kind of just stays on. Or if you actually compare this before after look of my face, I'll take the after shot after shooting this video a while later. So what I have noticed is that this is a mascara which really stays, right? So I really like the fact that there's something that actually lasts for a long time. So whether you're going out, or if you're just someone who loves wearing makeup, if you just love wearing a mascara, if you just go to the gym, and if you still just want to brighten up your eyes, you can just, I know wearing mascara or any makeup before gym sounds like a bit much, but for some women it's something which is very important. So you can actually do that because it is sweat proof, because it lasts, because it's so practical to actually wear, and wherever you go, of course, or at home, like I just said, like I wear it because it's a feel good factor thing for me. So whatever your reasons are, you can wear your mascara and use these hacks, but these are just the hacks for application. What about the time when you want to remove your mascara, guys? This is so important. I feel like it really needs to be mentioned because I've seen a lot of my friends do this mistake. Even I used to make this mistake, that when I'm removing my makeup, I'll just rub my eyes. Now let me clarify, when you're removing your kajal, you can just swipe and remove, okay? But for your mascara, this is not enough. So when you're removing a mascara, just take an oil based makeup remover, preferably a micellar water which is oil based. It's a very good idea. And then just fold your pad like this and then slide it closer to the edge of your eyelashes and wipe it slowly and gently like this. Yes, this is more time consuming than scrubbing and rubbing your eyes, but it's also far more effective because you're really picking out any last traces of the mascara, and it's also much more gentle, so you're not like breaking and losing half your eyelashes in the process, right? So it's very handy. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I want to share in today's video, guys. If you have any tips and tricks of your own to share, you can share them in the comment section below. As for the mascara and the kajal that I just talked about today, I will share the link for the Maybelline Colossal Mascara and Kajal range in the description box below, and here are all the prices if you want to check it out or if you're curious to know about it. And yes, I'm curious to know what your hacks are or what mistakes you used to make with your mascara, so maybe we can learn from your mistakes as well. And yes guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye. Bye.